birthday. Like everyone else says, we miss you guys, so we wish you could be there to spend this very special day in your life. But it's an honor and pleasure to be your Nina on your wedding day. Congratulations, Nina.
And Faye, we won't be there, but you guys will be in our thoughts and in our prayers. We love you so much, and this is the day. We love you.
Congratulations, Robin and Faye. This is Ryan, Haya, Perez, Hans, and Hazel England. I hope God blesses you today and for the lengthy marriage with peace, wisdom, and patience.
Congratulations, Faye and Robin. Ayun po naman, Kim. Kakasal na. Huwag kayong laro-larong sinta. Nakapagdabali ang sanga, hahanap ng iba. Anyway, this is just the start of your life together. I wish you the best as long as si God ang naging center ng inyong marriage. Everything will be good. And God bless.
Congratulations for making a great husband. I hope you have all the things.
He said, congratulations. I hope you have lots of babies.
You heard that right.
Enjoy your beautiful wedding.
Oh, congratulations again.
Hi everyone. This is Mutia, tita ni Obang, one of her many titas. So, fun fact po, ako ang nagpangalan kay Obang nung baby pa siya. Kasi, ang tunay niyang pangalan is Robin Tristan. Nung kabataan ko, favorite ko po si Robin Padilla. So, sabi ko sa ate ko, his voice is going to be Robin. Then, back in 2022, na-meet naman namin si Faye. And then I realized her other name is Jovi. And Jovi is my mom's nickname. And it reminds me of my mom. So talagang napalapit ang loob ko sa girlfriend ni Tristan, ni Robin Tristan. And nakilala ko siya, mabait na bata at sweet. So, hindi mahirap mahalin si Faye kasi parang right away nag-bond kami. So, Obang and Faye, I'm really honored kami ng Tito Remo na maging isa sa mga ninong and ninang sa kasal niyo. Sorry, hindi kami makapunta dyan, hindi kami makakarating, but as I've said, you guys are going to be in our hearts and in our prayers. May God continue to bless you. And know always na nandito lang kami para subaybayan kayo. Happy wedding day and we love you so much. Congratulations.
Well, for Obang and Faye, I want to say congratulations to the both of you. All of us here in Canada really wish we were able to make it, but sadly we couldn't. So we're all just wishing you the best of luck in the years to come and many happy years together. We all miss you so much, and I still have the gifts that Euclid Obang and Natasha gave to me when I last visited. We miss you, all of you in the Philippines, so much, and I really hope you guys will enjoy a special day together.
You know, always what God first, since na kahit minsan mahirap o maniwala, always gusto ko always gusto. Yan yung ako lang sinabi niya, always gusto. Thank you.
ako na nag-share tayo ng childhood days natin kasi sobrang saya.
Biglaan yung concept.
All about the bride. All about what I'm thankful for. Yun, nag-share tayo ng childhood. And then unforgettable moments sa sayo. Yung nag-artista ka. Feel na feel ko talaga. Feel na feel ko din sinasabi ko may kaibigan ako artista. Pero yung totoo talaga, yung sa computer mo. Hindi ko na-reveal lahat kasi ang gala. Yung talaga yung naaalala ko sa'yo.
Sample.
Yung malala. Parang siyang pusa, dinidilaan niya yung sarili.
At inililinis.
Tapos yung wish ko sa'yo. Yung wish ko sa'yo. Ayun din, yung parang sinabi ko kanina. I-treasure mo na yung moment niyo together sa new chapter niyo ni Robbie. And sana ang pwede ng pagmamahal.
Thank you. Well, another thing is that unforgettable for me is nakain sa kami, syempre, mga kasama ko mga matalino, ganyan. And actually, during that time, ako yung pinakago. Pero, with Faye, I felt like, na-recognize nila yung talent, kung meron man, na meron ako. Pero, I felt with Faye, hindi na ako nilalangka. I-include niya ako, and yung high school, kami groupings, kami yung grupo si Faye, na nararamdaman ko sa kanya na may ambag ako kasi sabi niya, huwag ka ganyan. Na-recognize niya yung talent ko na ako. So yes, marami naman pag-ibig ko sa yung high school kasi parang kahit kasi kami natatawan, mas naiiyak ako.
Sinaway siya.
Yeah, hindi ko siya makalimutan. Ay, lumabas pa din sa bulan ito. Nilanting niyo ako. Pero hindi ko siya makalimutan. And yung mag-practice ka natin kasi magaling ko yung so, yung sa CR, dun siya lagi ako, practice ko na si Monsi, sorry ka mag-isa. Ganun siya lagi. And this word of pride, sabi siya ganun. And ayun, good niya. And so, I'm thankful for pahilig ko kay Gian almost 20 years na kaibigan. So, thankful ako sa very long friendship. And then, sa trust, kasi nag-come pa may problem sa amin, sabihin ko may value na trust. Trust and what we have to say. Kahit sa mga advice na naman, hindi ba ito sa ko, sa'yo mga kaya niya sa wedding day, pag-uwi lang kami sa wedding, ate ba hindi ko ito na ako, tingin tayo mag-ano. Dahil na, tsaka sage. Tapos, yung like,
let us see a glimpse of the past of the couple for the persons who made them who they are tonight. So let us see their growing up videos.